place winners, please go to the awards area. Thank you. Coming on mat number 4. Alexis the girl, Nola Emily Griffin, USA. Battle number 6, 90 pounds. Angelica Paez of Denver. Get there also Nancy Tomlinson of Spirit Foundation. The Thunderclap Capital Medal on mat number 1, lots of air for our athletes trying to pull Julian Lakes. Time at 2. Number 8 coming up, Great Shakespeare Awards, Owen Burns from Black Sea. Semi-finals on number 9. Big battle now, 8-6 for Wilmot. PMRWC, Justin Owen Peterson of Illinois Northwest.
Hey, take down 8 seconds. Go.
Right, take 8. Hyper full holding criteria, last point scored. And the points go. In points. 15, Chase Salerno and Rastema Miller. Battle mat 14, that's Elijah Miller and Exeter. 3-0, Rusty Omar.
Try to win. There you go.
Come on, Wolf. Turn it up.
All right, let's get our Tinky Ready Power Wrestlers and High School 6.
No, you gotta go.
Go.
Out.
High School 106 to the awards area. We're looking for 18. Let's engage in Lincoln. Come at 18. Evan McEvoy of Midwest. Paul Rowland of South Hagerstown. Number 16.